Namaste, dear friends. Welcome to this 10 days Himalayan Vipassana retreat. And we are very much honored to have you in this program. And this program definitely will give you a biggest opportunity to know yourself. And it will help you to be free from the pain and suffering. Dear friends, these teachings of Vipassana is given by Buddha and the many Himalayan masters. Buddha himself applied this technique to get enlightened. And Himalayan masters, they also applied the techniques that I am going to share with you in the next 10 days Vipassana retreat. Pain is everywhere and pain is a part of the life, but it is possible to be free from the pain and suffering. My whole life was full of pain. I was born 1974. My father is deaf and dumb. My mother is simple housewife. After I was born, I knew that I had a heart problem and I was supposed to die in the early childhood. But the Divine made me alive, and that experience was really amazing and made me think, what is the purpose of life? Should I continue to have this pain every day, every moment in my life? Will I see the sunrise again in my life where there is no pain? Because my heart was moving so fast. I could not walk even properly. I could not weight 1 kilo things I could not weight. Then fortunately I got the operation in Sri Sai Institute of Medical Science. It was completely free. Then all my weaknesses are stolen, destroyed, because of the flood, because of the thieves. So many things happened, and my family life also got disturbed so highly. But I have thought, should I continue live my life or not? After losing everything, I understand that I have to become more stronger. I didn't leave the hope. I become hopeful and continue my life. Who gave me this hope? Who gave me this strength? Who gave me this power? Who gave me the positive mindset even after all the negative situations? That is the power of meditation that I have been doing from the very childhood time. So this meditation gave me the power to live hopefully, with a great hope. And now I am in the stage of deep peace and happiness in my life. In this 10 days Vipassana, I am going to share with you the practices of Buddha, and you will also become free from suffering, and you get also enlightenment called nirvana. Just be more attentive, more focused in your practice, and as I am going to describe all the discipline, you try to follow them, and definitely you will have a great journey with me. Dear friends, I'm really very much honored for your trust. And these 10 days can change your whole life if you really take it seriously. Thank you.